gonna love you long time, yeah, long time. I gonna love you long time. Oh.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your guest, Mad Diamonds here, and I'm back in another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on, and turn the notification on so you miss anything I post. And I'll tell you if you part of the Diamond Squad. Let's go back up right now and give this video a like. I think I said that already. I forgot. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm sorry. So anyways, today I'm gonna be reviewing the new Glamlite Chocolate Factory collection, I think it's called. I think it's called Chocolate. Yeah, y'all will see in the title basically. But I didn't get the whole entire collection. I only got these two, which is their new donut palette and their new s'mores highlighter and contour palette. They did came out with some lashes and lip products, but I didn't really want those. I was hoping to get the golden ticket because that's what Giselle had included into the box, but I think you only could get that with the box. If you buy the items individually, you can't get it. But yeah, these are sold individually, like I said. And with Giselle, why the phone gotta be ringing? With Giselle, she would say a lot of things are limited edition on the website, but I always notice that the palettes are still there for months on the website, so you don't have to really worry about it not being available, like gone forever basically, because if it does sell out, I'm pretty sure she would put it back up on her website. So yeah, but anyways, I'm going to start off with the s'mores highlighter. And a lot of times, it's not just with this brand, a lot of times when I see brands say certain things are limited edition, they still be there. Like, they still be there for months or years, even though they're limited edition. I don't want to break this box. Okay, here we go. Yeah, they still be there for months. So, yes, a lot of times when you see limited edition, that means, it's not going to be available after a certain amount of time, but sometimes it is still available. But anyways, here's how it looks like. And you guys, I've never had s'mores before. I always wanted to try it, but I just never get around to it. But it has no mirror. So here are the shades. You get 2 highlighter and a contour. And this, for once, actually have a scent. I'm surprised because usually with Glamlite products that I have, they're not scented. So this is actually scented, like a faint chocolate scent to it. Very soft. So you got marshmallow, graham cracker, and chocolate. So let me just. I know I'm supposed to get the. I have to think to swatch them better, but for this video, I'm gonna just swatch them this way. I can't really see the contour shade there. I'm trying to make it a little bit darker so I can see, but yeah, I can't really see that contour shade there. Let me put this. Alright, so I'm going to try these out first, and then I'm going to try out the eyeshadow palette. So let's go with the contour shade. I can see. I don't know if I can see that, but it's like really light, but it is buildable though, as you can see. Hope you guys can see that, honestly. I know my lighting isn't the greatest, but I mean, I can definitely see the color, but on camera, I don't know if you guys can see it, really. I put the ring light as bright as I can, but like I said, it is a light contour shade, so yeah. anyways, I'm going to try, I want to try graham crackers for highlighter. I want to use that white highlighter, but today I'm just going to do gold. Okay, Glamlite. This is the first time I ever tried a highlighter from Glamlite. I know she came out with other highlighters, but I didn't buy them. But I like this. I like that. I like that. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, so far so good with this palette. Now as for, oh my god, I have so much on top of here. As for the donut palette, so this is chocolate donut palette. The first donut palette I came out with was like the pink one. It's like that pink packaging right there, if I can like see it. That one was like more colorful, I would say, and this one is more like not neutrals, because she did say she's gonna promote like a neutrals and like palette because a lot of people was asking for it. So yeah, it has eyeshadows and pressed pigments in them, and just look at the packaging. So this palette costs, I believe, $22 or $24. The smallest palette costs $18. So yeah. Ooh. So here it is. You have a highlighter there in the middle, but as you can see, I already used the highlighter shade. So that highlight I will be using as a highlight on my face. I may put that into my eye look. We'll see. But yeah. So let me just swatch a few shades. Ooh, these are really soft. And the names are really nice. You got white chocolate, marble, sweet filling, chocolate sprinkles, chocolicious, Boston cream, double chocolate, sweet tooth, chocolate glaze, and Exelia. I never could say this name right. But, oh, this is like a pink, oh, yeah, I can't really see the true color. Oh my gosh. And let me swatch this big highlighter shade. Oh, that's like, that highlighter shade looks really, really nice. And I'm gonna swatch a matte shade. So I'm gonna swatch this brown. I see the brown needs a little bit more to it, so I'm gonna just go ahead to it twice, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this brown. So not the best swatches, but yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a quick eyeshadow look with this palette to let you guys know what I think, and yeah. Alright guys, so I did a look with this palette and I absolutely love it. I love the colors and everything in this palette. And I did went ahead and use my Juvia's Place lip gloss in the color Caramel Rose as always. And yeah, so I went ahead and started off with this shade right here, which is called Sweet Filling. I used that like as a base, blended out, and then I went into Chocolicious and just kind of blend out everywhere, like all over the lid basically. Then I used this shade right here and I kind of mixed it in with that, but then I also add double chocolate and kind of just mix it all together with that. Just mix it all together in the outer edge, and then I did went back into this shade and kind of blended that over here because I did want that shade to show up there. And then for my lid, I went ahead and used Chocolate Sprinkles, which I didn't swatch this shade. But yeah, it's like a pink orangey color in the pen. I can really see the true color, but yeah. And then of course I use that highlighter shade for my inner corner and brow bone because I really like how this, just look at the shade of the highlighter though, like it looks really, really pretty. And any other shades right here you can use as a highlighter too, like even if gold, this pink and this pink could be used as a highlighter as well. So yeah, so overall guys, these palettes are amazing. I love both of them. This is a great highlighter and contour palette. The only thing with this, the contour shade, I know it's like not for everyone. This contour shade is like more for you see, warmer skin tones. Maybe a little light, depend how you use it. If you use it like very lightly on your face and blend that really nice, it will look good. But the highlights in here are really, really nice, and I like how this one like chocolate. But yeah, the palette doesn't have a scent to it, by the way. I know a lot of you guys always ask me if the products have scents to them, and I forget to mention that in the video, but I'm just letting you guys know now, it's only this that have a scent to it. The palette doesn't. But yeah, so that is basically my review on these palettes, you guys. Let me know what y'all think about these. Would y'all buy it and all that good stuff? Let me know what I think about the look. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys. Oh wait, before I end this video, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video, but if you're interested in doing like stocks, you know, investing your money, you want to get some money, you know, like not get some money, but like you want to grow your money basically, I would simply say download this app called Robinhood. You can use my referral code. I will leave it in the description box down below. You can get a free stock when you sign up for free, and of course after you sign up, you give other people your referral code and they could get a free stock as well. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in like investing your money and y'all want to try out Robinhood, I highly recommend trying Robinhood out. Like I said, my invitation link will be in the description box down below, so go check it out. And yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. If y'all want free stock, y'all want to start investing, go do that right now. Go click that link down there. And yeah guys, so yeah, I'll see you guys in this video. Bye guys.
Major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part of my